How to wholesale real estate without cold calling in 2026. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to go through 4 simple techniques if you hate cold calling like I do, where you can find great wholesale deals without ever making a cold call. But before I get into it, do me a favor, make sure you just smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, share this video with someone who wants to find the truth out about wholesaling. So dare I say it, I don't like cold calling, and honestly, you probably watch this video because you hate it too. So we got to find alternatives. Listen, cold calling is great. It's one of the most efficient ways, but some people just don't want to do it. And I'm okay with it because I made an entire career without actually having to do it. Now, knowing that cold calling is a viable solution is step number 1. So if you decide you want to do it, let's walk through some alternatives for what you can do. First and foremost, while you're already digging up someone's phone number, you're skip tracing it through XLeads, consider doing an SMS or a text campaign. Why? It is extremely scalable, meaning one operator. Most of you are single operators in your wholesale business. You can simply drop a mass amount of text with a click of a button, but there's a couple caveats that you have to do. Number 1, first of all, you're going to have to go through the painful process of setting up what we call A2P, and that is so you're compliant with all the phone carriers to make sure your message gets delivered. You're going to have to set up LLCs, you're going to have to register a phone number, and you're actually going to have to create a website. Now, here's the good news is all this is inside of XLeads for you. Go to xleads.com. You're welcome. Number 2, we know is one of the biggest problems you have in doing SMS texting is setting up A2P compliance. And we've gifted you in XLeads. If you will schedule and set up a 15-minute Zoom, we'll do it absolutely for free for you. But you have to do the registration process. You have to go set up all this, the phone numbers, the emails, the whole 9 yards. And if you do that, we will walk you through the difficulty, the complexity of setting up A2P. Because honestly, you've told us that is one of your most frustrating tasks in XLeads. Remember, it's not us. We didn't create these rules, but we have to comply to them. If you will take your time and set this up, and then once you get your SMS text campaign set up, understanding that you have to season your account. You can't just blast 5 or 10,000 people right off the bat. You're gonna have to start out with a small amount of text, and then you keep doubling it until you get the account seasoned. On average, it might take you 30 days. But listen, do you want to run a sprint or do you want to win a marathon? I'm going to teach you the marathon because everybody can look good in a season or two. I've been in wholesaling 24 years. Most people look good for a little while and then you never hear from them again. So be quiet like me, be dangerous, learn, educate yourself, and actually put in the work in wholesaling and you can run a marathon. Don't overlook texting and SMS blast. The next one is just a simple email campaign. To go, Rick, how do I do that? I've tried it. It hasn't been effective. No, you're doing it your way. You're not doing it the right way. What's the right way? Go use a piece of software like XLeads, register your email address, and stop using your free spam-filled emails. You know what I mean? Your Gmails, your Hotmails, your AOL.com, and your Outlook emails. Guys, there's a reason they're free. Number 1, it's not your email. You don't have any privacy to it, and you are going to be advertised, and that information is going to be used against you. That should give you enough incentive to go out and get a paid one. Well, Rick, I don't have any money. Listen, you don't have to start out buying an email address, but if you want to be serious and run an email campaign, it costs you about $96. I think it's a year in GoDaddy, or you can pay like $8 or $9 a month, and you get your own private email address with your own domain extension. What does that do for you? You still have to season that one. So every one of these scalable techniques I'm going to teach you, you have to spend time, number 1, educate yourself, and number 2, you got to follow the rules. You have to season your email account. You need to send an email to your brother, your sister, your spouse, your uncle, your aunt. Get everyone to respond back to it. Get 20 or 30 responses so you season it, because they go, okay, this email account's getting traffic. What most people do is they'll go out and spam their Gmail account, or they'll go out and get a GoDaddy account and they send out 3,000 emails and they want to know why they all got bounced. Nobody likes spam. So you're going to be filtered at every corner you turn. The fastest way to get filtered is use a freebie email account. It's going to go directly to spam and no one's ever going to see it. Go ahead and register. Take the time. Set it up in XLeads. My other favorite thing about using email, this is what we can do in an off-market cycle. What do I mean? Well, we all know we can't commonly cold call at 9 o'clock, past 9 o'clock at night, because it's not very effective. So what do I do between the hours of 9 p.m. and 5 a.m. the next morning? Emails are fine because people can open at their convenience. And what better way to market to people in an off cycle? And if I can just get like a 0.5% click through, I'm way ahead of the game of every other wholesaler. But Rick, what's an effective email strategy? We've already set it up inside of XLeads for you. Go to xleads.com and we have templates we've set up where you can send an offer and we teach you how to generate these, and you can actually set up a follow-up system using the AI in XLeads so you can automate these processes. Our studies find if you follow up with an offer on a failed appointment, on average, 1 out of 10 will reach back out to you and you can reinvigorate that lead and have a shot of actually reclosing it and making that deal stick. That is the power of email marketing. But you've got to read the rules and understand how to work it. Make sure you set up correctly. Make sure you use a great software like XLeads so you can use AI integration and use the power of email in off-market cycles to regenerate leads that have fallen off. Maybe they ghosted you. Maybe your lead got rejected. Sometimes you guys just give verbal offers. It is a tremendous difference if you give a written offer versus a verbal. Why not do both and incorporate that on all your leads? Get a system where you can do robust follow-up. I know it sounds like a dead record. XLeads does all this for you. It's the all-in-one wholesaling software. Which leads me to number 3, which is a good old JVs, which stands for joint ventures. Yes, joint ventures are an amazing way to do deals. You see, I know I keep saying, if you take a software like XLeads, you can go in even with a basic account and get 25,000 leads. Now, we are in 2026. You don't have to do wholesaling in your backyard. Don't be an old school like Rick. That's all I knew when I started out. And honestly, it was effective. I'm always going to promote you to do marketing in your backyard, always locally. But why not, especially if you're in expensive markets like San Francisco, Miami, or New York City, is reach out and use the power of XLeads to go find your virtual markets. Here's where JVs become incredibly efficient when it comes to wholesaling. If I decide to do a national marketing campaign, maybe I want to just go full pull probates, which every one of you can do with your XLeads account. You get 25,000 leads, and I pull them nationally. Or maybe I'm going to do tax delinquencies, foreclosures, whatever it is. I can find the lowest hanging fruit, meaning the people that are most motivated that need to sell right now. But what's the problem? Is maybe if I do a deal in North Carolina, I don't live in North Carolina. I don't know anything about the market. I don't have 3 to 6 months to learn it. This is where I'm going to invoke the power of JVs. I'm going to find the best wholesaler in that area that's comfortable moving properties that will do a 50-50 split with me. Why? Because it's efficient. If I only have 30 days to move the property, a JV deal is my best solution. And it allowed me to use the power of the people that I work with, the people I have connections with, to basically double, if not triple, my business. Because your biggest choke point in virtual wholesaling is always going to be dispo. So why not use local experts, get those deals sold, split the money, and then you keep on that marketing, finding that low-hanging fruit on a national scale. Which leads me to the second part of this XLeads strategy. If I told you you get 25,000 leads in a basic XLeads account, most of you aren't utilizing past 10 or 12,000. Why don't you take the balance of those, go out into the marketplace, go on social media, go to Zach Discord, go to our free wholesale group, maybe you're in our M2M group, and find other people that are willing to make cold calls for you. Once again, you're not making the cold calls. We are using the power of leverage through our data, because when I started out wholesaling, nobody provided me phone numbers. The best I could get is a foreclosure list, and I would knock on doors. So why don't you provide motivated seller leads and give someone 1,000 and see if they can produce a deal from you? If they don't produce, move on, get another person. If someone comes back and provides leads, they want more and they're getting traction, keep feeding them leads. It's very, very simple. You're going to need a lot of these people because most of them fail, but find somebody who wants to do your learn and earn program. What do I mean by that? They can actually learn how real estate investing, specifically wholesaling, while going out and helping you call through leads via cold calling. It saves you time. And honestly, if you got to get through 25,000 leads, you got to ask yourself, how am I going to get through all 25,000 leads by myself? Maybe you get through 10 or 12,000 by yourself, and then you outsource the other 13,000 and get other people. Who cares if they fail? Your account resets every 30 days anyways. So might as well use it or lose it. And those of you with the X plan, don't even get me started on you. You get 65,000 leads a month. Go to work. Make it work. Have people work you. The power of the people. Earn and learn programs. You can turn these songs. You can do all your training on YouTube if you want. You can have a private school group. You can do whatever you want. You can make it free. You can put your PDF script in there. Train them how to do this, because you're going to need numbers to make this work. The more people you have out there sifting through deals, the better your odds of getting a deal done in wholesaling. Guys, last but not least, I have to tell you, direct mail is still a viable source for you to get leads. Now, it's a far cry from cold calling where you have to do outbound marketing. Direct mail is where you do inbound marketing. The downside is you have to pay some hefty fees up front. And I don't advise on the starting strategy, but if you get a couple deals in your belt, I'm telling you, here's why I like direct mail, especially going to 2026. Number one, they're exclusive to you. You know they're your leads. You're not violating any TCPA laws, and you are deriving your own leads, and you have that right as a wholesaler. It's already been proven in case law. So, okay, I don't have to worry about getting sued. Number two, oh yeah, that's right. It's illegal. There's nothing illegal about it. You can sit there and do it all day long. Number three, they call you. So once they comply and they call you and they have interest, you have satisfied all requirements for an opt-in lead, and you can put them in your X leads count and do AI and do the automation of all the follow-up, the emails, the text, everything. And for God's sakes, it is extremely scalable. So if I don't excite you with it just being illegal and you avoid a lot of TCPA headaches, it is phenomenal. On average, here's the best part about direct mail. It's been around a long time. It is the number one source of motivated leads that come into wholesaling. If you don't believe me, go ask the biggest wholesalers. And why? Because it's legal and it's extremely scalable. And here's my favorite part. It has an ROI, a return on investment. On average, it is 5 to 6 times a return on your investment in wholesaling. What does that mean? If I put $5,000 into it, I can yield about $25,000. It's consistent. It's reliable. These aren't just my numbers. These are industry numbers. Go try to get that in PPL or PPC. It is a wild cost curve. And honestly, it's like going to Vegas and asking the casino manager, what are my odds if I place $1,000 on pulling the slots? What is my return on investment? They're just going to tell you, oh, you have a chance to win. That's what you're doing when you're leaving marketing in the hands of other people. Remember, he or she that master marketing will make the most money in wholesaling. Don't break the fundamentals of wholesaling. Guys, let me know, are you going to use these 4 techniques to replace your cold calling? Or maybe you just want to do cold calling. Maybe you're just like Rick. Listen, maybe it's my ADHD. Maybe it's just annoying and I can't get through all the phone calls quick enough. Find a way to get it done. And here's my I'm going to save the best one. I didn't even mention this before. If you decide to use cold calling as a strategy, why don't you just not do it? Why don't you go work some extra overtime hours, maybe a weekend shift or something like that? All you got to do is generate about an extra $1,000 and you can use a cold call center. If you want to learn on how we do that, check us out at joinm2m.com. We have an entire training where we teach you, where we get the most qualified people that are trained cold callers. You don't have to do the training. They upload the leads, and on average, it costs you about $1,000 a month, and they'll upload 40 to 50 fresh leads in your X Leads account. Check us out at joinm2m.com. We can do that. But guys, I have given you so many solutions that you can find a wholesale deal without doing cold calling in 2026. Let me know in the comments which one you're going to choose. And as usual, if you got value from this, do me a favor. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with someone who wants to find the truth out about wholesaling. This is Rick, and I'll see you in the next video.